Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Irish potato pepper soup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of potatoes, peeled and diced into 1-inch cubes. Also, prepare 1 large onion, 2 bell peppers, and 3 cloves of garlic, all finely chopped. Don't forget 4 cups of vegetable broth, half a cup of heavy cream, and your favorite spices like a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper for a kick. Now, let's build the flavor foundation for our delicious soup. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onions and bell peppers, sautéing them for about 5 minutes until they become wonderfully softened. Next, stir in the minced garlic and cook for just 1 more minute until you can smell its inviting aroma. This step is crucial for a rich taste. It's time to get those potatoes cooking. Add your diced potatoes and the 4 cups of vegetable broth to the pot. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat, cover, and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. The potatoes should be fork tender when ready. Now, season generously with salt, black pepper, and that 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper for a lovely warmth. For the perfect creamy finish, stir in half a cup of heavy cream. Heat it through for about 2 minutes, being careful not to let it boil. Ladle your warm, comforting Irish potato pepper soup into bowls. Garnish with some fresh parsley or chives for a vibrant touch. It's truly a delightful meal. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.